Always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos.
And welcome back to Cuda's Diecast Customs. How's everyone doing? So today we have a special CDC custom. The old man is taking on a Hot Wheels Cadillac Seville. So before my summer break ended, the old man wanted to do another project with me. And with the thought of his birthday coming up in August, I thought it would be a good idea to make a video and have him do another custom. He's really getting into this. So, let's jump into it and see what he's going to do. I hope you guys enjoy. As we're jumping into this one, we're jumping right into the Chum Bucket. So as you see here, the car is stripped down and it is already in the Chum Bucket. So as a normal procedure with this, we are going to put the lid on, make sure it's tight, and give her a good shake. Once you do that, you're going to wait about, I don't know, just depending, a couple hours to a couple days. This one was a day. After that, we're going to go move on to the sink. And what we're going to do here is pretty much just lather this whole car up in hot soapy water. This time it was just hot water, just to clear off all that citrus strip. I thought it would just be a good idea to remove all that citrus strip because that stuff is nasty. All of us know that. And we got to clean up that car. And it did turn out pretty nice because it did strip it all the way. So how is everyone doing? I gotta ask because I know it's been a while and I haven't done many videos, but that's just because work took over and there's all of this other life stuff. So my plan is for being here back at school, yes I said it, back at school, I'm going to do a video a month. Just because I have a lot of backlog and I want to still produce you guys some videos. So I hope you guys are okay with that and I hope you guys still enjoy. I'm going to try my best as possible to keep my social media updated and keep videos posted as much as I can because everyone knows school is more important. So back to the build. So as you see here, the old man, he painted the base flat black. I thought it looked pretty good, and he is in the middle of the chroming process. So it is going to be a little hard to see because his big old hands got in the way, but that's completely okay. He was working with me, and I wasn't being clear when it came to the camera, and I should have been because I was the camera guy. But with that said, he still made a very, very cool product, I thought, in my opinion. So as you see here, he's getting away, he's getting those bumpers, he's getting the grills, and he's getting all them access pieces to make sure that flat black really stands out in the end. And I thought it did. That was going on in this build. We completely forgot to touch the interior. And my dad thought, oh, we can't keep this car interiors red because that just wouldn't look right, especially with the car being orange in tint. That is the color we went with, and it would just not stand out right. So we thought it would be either look really good in a flat black or a wood tan interior. And so he decided to go with a wood tan interior. He did this 3 or 4 times and I thought it turned out awesome. So now as you see here, we are moving on to the wheels. He went with these steely like reels, the Reel Riders, and they really complement the car in my opinion. We got some fatties in the back, some skinnies in the front, and it really complements the car. So after those wheels are dry, we're going to move on to details. So he went with the toothpick method on the details. So he's using a little orange on those turning markers, and then he will use a little bit of yellow to accent those I think they're either fog lights or turning markers. I might have these completely confused, but if that's the case, please someone down below, please remind me and tell me what I am saying because who knows. So the taillight markers and, not the taillight, oh my gosh, the blinkers and or the fog lights aren't the only thing that we did detail on. We also put time in and did the actual lights. And what we decided to go with, and I should be more clear about this, we used all Testors brand for this. We used a Testors white for the headlights, and Testors yellow and orange for the tail lights. No, my gosh, I did it again. For the turning lights and the fog lights. So I thought that was pretty cool.
Meanwhile, back in the fish tank.
This thing got out of paint. We let it dry, and we went right for the side markers. As you guys see here, that is not my old man's hand. That is mine. Because he was a little fearful of messing up the handles, and I told him I'm a professional. So, I put him on for him. It was very easy. So now we're on the final assembly part. As you see here, we have glass. We got our newly painted interior. That looks very cool. Just gonna put it in there. Slowly, maybe. Okay, we're there. And now, our base. So this one wasn't screwed out, or tapped out, as I should say. It was, this was a glued car, and it turned out awesome, so that's pretty cool. So, if you guys remember, this is what we started with. It was a pretty basic 1980 Hot Wheels Cadillac Seville. And I thought, and my old man thought, it needed to be rebuilt properly. So, that's what I thought we did today. Let's go see that final result. As here is our final result. Here is my old man's 1980s Hot Wheel Cadillac Seville. I think it turned out pretty sweet. I like the details, they really stick out. That flat black that he went with for the grille and then the base really makes that stand out. Very, very nice. The white wall rims and then the steelies really complement the car and really makes that paint pop. And speaking of that paint, I think that was a very, very good choice in color. Plus, that chrome accent really makes that rear pop as well. Guys, I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.